Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we'd really appreciate it if you would. Today we're in the backyard because we're going to assemble a Lifetime Geometric Dome Climber Play Center we got off Amazon for our daughter. I'll put a link in the description so you can get one yourself. This is going to be the 60-inch version. First we'll go over the parts, then we'll do a time lapse of assembly, and then we'll show the completed setup. Let's take a look. So here are the parts all laid out. The box was really big and heavy, so we opened it in the house and brought them out. We got the blue pipes and red pipes in the color combo we chose. There's small connectors and larger connectors. And then the hardware was all in here, and I've kind of knolled it all out into these magnetic trays already. I'm going to use a real ratchet, a little impact, and a breaker bar, and an open-ended wrench rather than the supplied Allen key and just a wrench as they specify you need, just to try to make it a little quicker and easier assembly. We put this together last summer and it's held up really well, and it's gotten a lot of use. It's stayed in pretty good shape in the sun, and it's not too bad to move when you need to mow the grass either. If y'all decide to purchase one of these, if you could use the link in our description, it would help support our channel. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe, and if there's anything you want to add I didn't include, please put that in the comments as well. I'm always glad to learn something new. Thanks!